Hi there. In our last tutorial we created our basic template. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a navigation bar, and there's a really cool website that we can go to that has a template for us that we can use, that we can change around. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this website called www.w3schools.com. There is a good tutorial here that has got some HTML stuff that can help us out. So if you click on tutorials, then go to learn HTML, that will take us to a page with a whole bunch of different tutorials that we can look at on how to create different styling effects, tables, etc. in HTML. So we're going to click on HTML lists. Once we click on that, it's going to take us to this page. So we're going to create an unordered list to create our navigation menu bar. We'll scroll down and we're going to get to a place that's called horizontal lists. Now in here, if I click on try it yourself, it'll show me this navigation bar, and on the side is the coding for that. So we have our links here that don't go anywhere just at the moment, but these are our buttons that you see here, and then obviously here is our coding. So we can change the color of the text, we can change the display type, whether it's block or if it's different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select our links to begin with. I'm going to copy that, Command C, copy that, and I'm going to go back to brackets and I'm going to paste it within my navigation bar in this section just in here where navigation is. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to enter down and just paste our links in. Now that's not it so far, but if we save that and have a look in our browser, we shall see what it looks like. It won't look like much. It's a bit all over the place at the moment, but once we copy the rest in, it will look schmick. So let's go back to our browser with our website, and we're going to copy the rest of this and paste that back into brackets. Alright, but this time we're going to place it somewhere in here. My suggestion is place it just on the navigation area, because that is sort of will help you along the way in knowing where certain things are. So I'm going to paste it here. This might look really confusing to you, but here is some stuff that we can play around with. If we save this, we can have a look, and here is our navigation bar. So say I don't want to have that black or grey, dark grey navigation bar. What I can do is I can come to our background color of our list here, right here. I'm going to change that. I'm going to change that to, let's say, a brown. I'm going to save and have a look. Now it changes. It's a bit reddy. It's a bit of a red color, but maybe that's just my eyes. Okay, the next bit is I can change this highlighting color as well. The way I do that is I come to the hover area. This is just here, our hover area, and we can change the hover color. So we can choose a number, or we can go gray or magenta or whatever is going to work. Make sure you choose something that's going to work with your color scheme that you've decided to go on. So I've just chosen a slate gray, which is not going to work, but it does the job. It looks a bit weird, but I'm not really happy at the moment with our font color. I really need to change that to something different. Or actually, I'm not really happy with the font. So in our list style type extra, right here, UL, standing for unordered list, we're going to type in font family. And you can choose a font that works with the internet. I quite like using Arial. It's easy, it looks alright, and if we save that, our font is much nicer looking. So that's how we can create a navigation bar. You can find this in a Word document in the same folder where this tutorial was found. So have a look at this. You can copy this from the website or from this Word document, and happy days. See you next time.